Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. If you're coming back, welcome back everyone. Today I have a haul? No, what do I call this? Pin unboxing? Pin unboxing. Today I have a pin unboxing of 6 mystery boxes. I know, it's 6! If you haven't seen my outlet video, because I don't know when that is coming out or if it came out already, I know, I'm a mess. I'll figure it out. I'm almost caught up. Forgive me, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I got these at the outlet. I got 3 sets, and I'll show you a close-up in a little bit. For you, it'll be like seconds. So I got a Marvel mystery pin set. I got a Lightyear mystery pin set, and I got a Star Wars mystery pin set. And I got 2 of each kind, and I got them at the outlets for 25% off during the magical sale event. I don't know what it's called. Oh, there she goes. Don't worry, I have a backup. So, yeah, so I got this one for 10, this one for 7, and this one for 10. I had 25% off, so each one was $7.50. So $3 and change for each pin, and this one was $7. So 25% off, let's say it was 8, it was like 5-ish something. So $2.50 for each pin. That's not bad. So I hope you enjoy this. I will do a close-up because right now there's a lot of glare with my ring, and you probably want to see these up close and not focus so much on me, right? Hopefully. So I hope you enjoyed. Now let's hear all about it. Okay, we're gonna try this out where we have this as the background. I did upgrade to an iPhone 14 something plus Pro. I don't know what it is. And it's supposed to like zoom in. So hopefully it zooms into the right thing. We shall see. If you see dust, pardon our dust. Okay, I don't know which one to start with. Let's start with the Lightyear just because it's my least exciting one. So you can see it says Space Ranger Mystery Pin Set, Ensemble de Pins Mystery. That's so bad. $7. And then these are the options. So our options are, we have, I don't know what that is, the Star Command sign. We have a ship. We have mittens, kittens, boots. Star Command, this one would be cool too. We have the ship, we have, I don't know, the sign, the world they live in. I did watch this movie, I promise. And Zorg. But yeah, so that's what we have right now. So that's what we are going to be working with. I'm hoping I get the same luck as Sophie and Joey from Taste Like Disney because, oh my gosh, that luck. But yeah, so we're going to start with these. I want Boots, the cat, whatever the cat's name is, and maybe a Buzz Lightyear one, just like a normal Buzz Lightyear one. I'm really bad at opening these, so hopefully we're able to open it. All right. Oh, they're actually very cool. They're actually a lot bigger than I thought. So XL1 pilot, I'm assuming that's what the ship was called. I saw this movie, I want to say when it came out on Disney Plus, and I really liked it. I actually didn't mind it. Yeah, the plot's a little weak, but it was a cute movie. But here's what the pin looks like. It's actually very nice and colorful. I might keep it. It reminds me of Epcot a little bit. But who knows? I have too many pins to begin with. All right, number 2. Oh my gosh. Oh! Alright, pin number 2. We have Zorg. Oh my gosh, I'm saying that wrong, aren't I? Should have done my research before this. I apologize. Just angrily in all capital letters get mad at me on the comments. But he is stunning. I'm going to keep him instead. But look at the color palette of this. Tell me this reminds you of Epcot a little bit, or like, I don't know, some outfits my parents probably had. It's stunning. I think they're both stunning. Okay, not bad. I still haven't gotten the cat, but we have another box, so don't be alarmed. We're gonna get it right. Meow. Get it? All right, I'm sorry, I'll stop. All right, let's see if I drop this one. Ooh, I did good on this one. Is it a repeat? Oh, no, it's not a repeat. They look alike. XL15. I'm guessing that was a second ship. Again, very stunning. These are stunning and huge. These are really big pins. We'll see how the other ones come out. Or a pin's just this big, and I just haven't bought a pin in a while. Very pretty. It's not a repeat yet, so I'll take it. But we only have one more chance. for the cat. You know what? It's probably because I don't know the cat's name. That's probably why I can't get the cat. Oh, oh, I can do it. Ooh, not a repeat. XL15. Another ship. I'm happy I didn't get any repeats, right? Like, that is really good luck for me. But it's not the one I wanted. But I'll take it. These are so pretty. I think if I trade these, somebody's going to be very happy about them. But I'm probably definitely going to keep this one. All right, so that was sad, but good. It was sad, but good. All right, moving on. Should we do Star Wars next? Because I'm least excited about that one in that order. Okay, so the Star Wars one looks like this. And I think if I zoomed in, it was better for the box. So it says Mystery Pink Collection, $9.98, limited release. And then it has Star Wars. And then this is what we can get. And I apologize for the glare. I even turned off my ring light. So we have Chewie. We can get Queen? Princess? I don't know who this is. Obi-Wan? Oh my god, somebody's going to be so mad at me in the chat. Luke? Stormtroopers? Luke again? No, this is Han Solo. Darth Vader. And then the Yin Yang twins. No, what is their name? R2-D2 and C-3PO. Yeah! I think this is the only one I messed up on. Okay, which ones would I want? I would definitely want Darth Vader. Han Solo. Chewie. This post is nice, but I don't know about him. And maybe the Stormtroopers. Yeah, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Let's see what we get. Oh, let me zoom back in. Zoomed in 2 out. Okay. Let's see what we get in the mystery bags today. Oh, these are big mystery bags. Look at these bags compared to these bags. Ooh. Oh, yeah, that was nice. Oh, I ripped it completely. Yay! Han Solo! Look how gorgeous he is. Look at the hair. Look at the pants. Look at the shirt. Wow. Okay, let's compare. I guess they are normal sized. I feel like these are huge. Maybe this is normal size. I am so happy. And then there's what the back looks like. But we got one. We are forever grateful. All right, next one. I opened the last one so flawlessly. Who is it? Oh, aren't they a couple? Princess Leia. Oh, I got it. And Han Solo. Yeah, they're together, right? Right? And he says, I love you. And she says, I love you more? Or something like that? Or not as much as I do? Oh, my God. I'm really making some fans angry out there. I love you more. No. I love you. I know. I love you. I know. I think that's how it is. I love you and then I know. For Star Wars night, they haven't sold tickets yet, but for Star Wars night, I want my husband to be Han Solo and then I'm going to dress up as Chewie. Oh, Marcy's coming up. I don't know if you hear her. All right, next box. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. We still need Chewie. We still need Darth Vader. And that's what we're hoping for. All right. Yay! That's Chewbacca. Oh, I think my cat thought I was talking to her. That is too funny. But yeah, it says Star Wars Chewbacca. He's adorable. I love you. I know. So cute. If you've ever hugged Chewbacca, the character at Disney, sweaty. And then my husband made me realize that it wasn't the character that was sweating. It's the people who hug him that leave their sweat on him. And I was like, ooh, I think you're right. I think you're right. Okay, let's keep going. The next one we have, oh, okay, I did like his stance. Luke Skywalker. Ah, wait, these two kids too, right? But they're siblings? Oh, spoiler alert. Sorry, I should put a spoiler alert before this. Right? They kissed at some point and then they were like, we're siblings. I should do a video of me just retelling Star Wars with my pins. I just need to collect all 8 of them and then I'll do a video retelling the whole Star Wars saga, all 7, 8 movies. Oh man, I'm just gonna stop talking about Star Wars. Let's move on to Marvel. All right, so on Marvel we have, this is what the box looks like. I believe it was like a Halloween type box, but it's the pumpkin version. I don't know if it has names. Ensemble, the 12 pins. Chaque boîte contenait 12 pins choisis au hasard. That's me reading with my Duolingo days. But we have different pumpkins. Of course, I want all of the face pumpkins. Those are the ones that I'm most interested in. And then if it's not a face pumpkin, then I would like this one. If it's not that one, then I don't want it. Let's not talk. But actually, number 1 is going to be I Am Groot. Number 2 is going to be Venom. Number 3, maybe Spidey. Maybe Spidey. All right, and this is it. This is it. We can do it. We can do it. Let's see what size these bags are. They are small. Are they as small as the first ones? Somewhat consistent. A little bit bigger. Wow, these bags are very inconsistent. Okay, let's open it up. What did we get? Oh no. Fun fact about me, he's my least favorite Marvel character. yeah. It's cool. Somebody will love it, I'm sure. Look at the size comparison. But yeah, somebody's gonna like it, I'm sure. Not me, but somebody who I trade with is gonna be excited. Maybe my husband actually will be excited for it. Let's go to the next one. Oh no, another one. What is this, Black Widow? Spider-Man? What is this? Somebody tell me in the chat. It looks like Black Widow to me, but I could be wrong because look at the background. That looks like a spider web. Is this Spider-Man? What is this? Somebody tell me, please. And then the next box. Oh my. Let's see what we get in the next 2 boxes. Okay, the first one. Is this a face one? Is this a... Why? We were doing so good. It's because I talk so much trash about it. That's probably why. Okay, one more. This is it. It's not a face. I don't think it's a face. It's the same box. I got the same... We're just not gonna talk about it. What is that ending? It started out with a pow and then ended with a wow. Yeah. Which one was your favorite? Which one was your least favorite? My least favorite was the ones we're not talking about. And then my most favorite is gonna be Han Solo. I mean, look at that hair. I know I already mentioned it, but I just wanted to show it to you one more time. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you like these unboxings. Let me know if this setup was nice or if you prefer the old setup where you could see my face making faces. Yeah, but for $10, this isn't bad, and I'm going to get some really good traders, and I think people are going to like these because I feel like a lot of traders look the same nowadays. So I think these will make some good traders. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And if you didn't like it, you can dislike it and then give me some feedback on the comment of what I could improve. And then you can still subscribe, you know, watch me grow. I hope you enjoy, and until next time, adios.